What up, YouTube? It's your boy Spyder Buff 1330. Yep, back with another video. They just keep coming, right? So what I'm gonna do is, this is a Night Rider light. Y'all see my video? I installed this on my Riker. Okay, so when I went to trade my Riker in, I took this off. That was not going. You're not getting my light. So I want to put this on the Spyder. I have not seen a Spyder with this. They make it for the F3, but they don't have it for the RT. If somebody had one, I never seen it yet. So I might be the first. I gotta find some way to place it. That's the whole key. I thought I was gonna put it here, up here, but I don't know if it's gonna fit. It might. Let me see. Because of this, the length of it, and if it'll fit up under here, we're gonna see if I can get it up under here. If I could, this is where I want to put it. So we're gonna see if I can get it up under there. All right, like that. We're gonna see. So let me see. Gotta find a spot for it first. Okay, it looks like it might work. It's gonna go like, no, it might be too long for here. I want to put it like this. It might be too long, or it ain't gonna close. Let's see if it'll close. I'll put this here. Oh, shit, hold on. Might get caught. I'll put this here. This has been here like that. Will it close? And will it stay? That's the key. Will it close and will it stay? It look like it will. It look like it will. And I think it locked. Let's see. So if that stays there, which it looks like it will, if I can get that to stay here, this part, only thing is this part here. Okay, if I can get it to stay here like this, and you bend this here like this, alright? Then this here, I need to go, I need to make a hole. I'll find some way for this to go. Let me see, I think I might have a spot. I think this has a spot. But this can go right to the battery. Let me take the lining out. Let me take the lining out. And I'll get back with y'all. Alright, y'all. So, wasn't easy. I didn't want to have y'all holding y'all up while I go through this. I had to find a way. If I run that, it hasn't made to go straight to the battery, but it's too much I got to go through. Then you got the radiator here. It'll melt the wire. I didn't want that. So I ran it up through here. I'm going to bring it along here. Matter of fact, I got it through right here. I'm going to bring this wire up here also. Keep these wires away from that radiator. Keep this up here. It should be good like that. Have this here run sitting up here like this. I'm going to double-side tape on this right about right there. Right? Leave that button on. I'm going to zip tie this right here. This is my accessory right here. I got to take one more wire up. I said instead of the wire short, the batteries are, it would have been too much I had to go through on that side. I said I'll do it on this side, which was better anyway. Less trouble. And it's an accessory, so the minute the bike go off, no matter what, that light gonna go off anyway, which was better. You know what I'm saying? It was much better anyway. I like it better that way. Now I'll just take this here accessory plug. It's just a holder. Basically, I just stick that back up in here. Like this, I got for which way it went. Alright, that went up in there like that. These will go here like this. Tuck this down in here. Push that over there. Got the fuse block for this. That's gonna go there. Just making sure this don't get no connectivity. Non-metal. Nowhere. That was a battery post. Now I can take some small zip tie. Let me get a small zip tie. Oh, let me show y'all first. Let me turn this thing on. Alright, hit the remote. You can see the Knight Rider light on. Yeah. Alright, y'all. There you see it. Knight Rider light. Alright, let me put everything back together. Alright, yeah. So now you gotta put this fender back on, which I hate. That's how you gotta do this here. It's scary. You gotta put this up here. This gotta go up like this. You gotta put this piece, this blade piece gotta go up in here like this. Okay, like this. This blade and then like this. It ain't fitting in right. And this goes in here. That. Mosquitoes coming out, yeah. But yeah, I hate this. Taking this thing apart. Is this a screw here? Alright. And these two screws. Hate taking them apart plastics, boy. Now worry about remembering where it went to. Making sure everything back on tight. I said I wasn't gonna be working on this bike, taking plastics off. When I saw videos of how to do certain things, I was like, oh, I'm not doing that. Now look at me. Said the same thing on a Riker too, right? And look. I hate taking this. It's scary. That's the thing. It's very scary. Why it's not closing? What's going on here? Oh, this is up too high. Huh? Don't tell me that. I got this permanent tape on here. That's too high? Okay, I gotta bring it down, so my easy pass. Don't scare me like that. Why the thing ain't closing? There we go. The easy pass is right there. Panels. You gotta be gentle with these panels, y'all. These suckers. Make sure you hit everything. Snap. Not crack. As long as it snap, you're good. It's dirty. Great how dirt get up in here. Wipe this off right quick. That's the right way. I'm doing it the right way. Go here. So this go. These go up here like that. Is that in right? Oh, like that's in right. Let me look on the other side. Oh yeah, it's on the other side. It's a little gap. Not that much of a gap now. All right, y'all. Let me start the bike up now. I got everything on it, so y'all can see everything. There we go. That looks nice. Oh, that looks fire. Oh, okay. There we go. Y'all see it? Spyder Buff 1330. I'm out. This was a mission. Ride safe, like, share, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace. I'm out.